Good morning, welcome to Bitcoin Bounce. My name is Joseph. Today I'm here with Dion and we're talking about Bitcoin. This is a big week for Bitcoin. We've broken through support and now the question is, will Bitcoin go down or is Bitcoin gonna run all the way up to the 27, 28, possibly 30,000 level? Dion, what's up with Bitcoin?
Good morning, guys. Thank you, Joseph. I'm not going to look at the bigger time frames today. It's basically all still the same thing. The interesting stuff is around the 1 hour chart. So over the weekend, just before the weekend, we've started trading in this parallel channel. And we've been touching size every time, just going straight up, and then once we get a breakthrough, then we go down, touch the bottom again, and so it's been going on. At the moment now, we've had a bit of a pullback. We were also on Friday, we said we were expecting, so this was the whole Bitcoin move. We said that we were expecting a bit of a pullback just for a healthy market, so it's to be expected and we're not worried at the moment. The thing is, this week we've got very important news events coming up. Consumer confidence, that's on Tuesday, and Wednesday is the big one, is the US interest rates. So I think this pullback here, this last one already is different to all the others. I think it's being manipulated already. You can see the Asia market is opened, yeah. So as soon as they opened, they started messing with the market. And also you remember I said to you previously, let me just get my measuring tool here, is if the Asian session is bigger than 2%, that's standard, that's round about there, then they messing with the market, and you can see already that was 2% and we down to 4.5 odd 4%. So there's definitely already market manipulation, and I think that's pre these meetings, the news events coming up. So I'm not sure what they're going to do, but I just know it's going to be a volatile week up and down, and we're not going to have any consistent trades here, as they could bring it down before this consumer confidence and then just after that shoot it up, and then bring it down again before the interest rates, and then shoot it up when everyone thinks it's going to go lower down, they'll bring it up. So whatever you expect, they're going to do the opposite, and they're going to mess with the markets this week. They love it when there are news events for them to create extra confusion in the market. So for now, the only safest trade, I wouldn't trade anything on Bitcoin here now. So we would wait until we come and reach the bottom of this parallel channel and then see if we get a solid bounce. Then you could trade it up to, let me just get the figures in here, where it was up to about 22,400. So you could take a bounce and then trade it up to just before that resistance zone. Or if we break down, then from this, this is the old daily support line that we had here, it could also bounce off that. And also in this zone, there's bank liquidity still that they need to come and collect. So that's from 27.63 to 21.937. So in that range, so they would love to come back down here to come get their money back. So we could expect a move anywhere down here, and if you see a solid pump up, then you could take short scalp trades, but ride it with a tight stop for this whole week. Whatever you trade, nothing consistent. We're not going to see a solid move all the way up to the top, a consistent move. It's going to be way erratic this week, so I wouldn't safely suggest any Bitcoin. So scalping would be good this week. Then for trade of the day, I saw FTM, the Phantom coin had a 10% pullback, this red candle here. So I'd wait a little bit. You saw on that Bitcoin chart that we're expecting it to go a little bit further down. So I expect that downward move would also pull this Phantom coin down to the support here at around about 30 cent. It could be 30, 31, around about there. Might bounce around a bit, and then if we get that solid bounce on Bitcoin, then I would get into Phantom as well, and there's a nice 10% trade in there, in the Phantom coin up to the previous resistance here. And that's it from me today, Joseph.
So tell me, Dion, so I see that pattern on this Phantom and a Bitcoin looks very similar. Do you think the Bitcoin, I had the whole time this $21,800 support level in my head with Bitcoin. Do you think, because we've broke through it now a few times, do you think that's just a fake out, or do you think that that support level is going to hold?
I think it's going to hold. I think it's utter manipulation at the moment. So I think they making us think that once it's broken that it's going to go down. They're trying to entice people to take shorts, and then they're going to take it up and take them out. So I don't think I'm very bullish for the next few months on Bitcoin. So I think it's absolute fake, and it's because of this news they're trying to entice people to short so that they can take them out.
Yeah, so for the last 6 months, everybody's been Bitcoin is bearish, Bitcoin is bearish, but you can't ignore the trading technical analysis. The technical analysis shows us very clearly that Bitcoin has made a turn, so there might be another short dump, but I think we've reached support. Bitcoin, Dion, that's exciting. I'm going to try and see if I can this week take a few scalping trades, especially on that Phantom. I think if we can buy a 30 cents Phantom and run it up to maybe 35 or 36 cents, that would be wonderful. Yeah. Guys, that's all from us for now. I'm going to be back in an hour, and I'm going to talk about my Monero trade. I got an excellent trading setup that I've been following over this last 3 weeks that I've been trading, and I want to show you guys how you can actually hodl Bitcoin and make a little bit of money on that Bitcoin while doing short trades on Monero. See you in an hour, and thank you for joining us. Thank you, Dion. I'm definitely going to take hold of that FMT trade. Have a fabulous day.
Cheers, Joseph. Cheers, guys.